Now, hold up now. Just because you're not in the band doesn't mean you're not in the band.
Don't you just love it?
Love what?
Tiffany's.
I am a dude. I am a hunky dude. I'm a badass hunky dude.
Boys! Girls! And world peace.
You know, I thought I had mono once for an entire year. Turned out I was just really bored.
Who put you up to this?
Oh, hi, Tracy.
Who put you up to this?
What do you mean?
You just woke up this morning and suddenly decided to run for president?
I feel just like Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman. You know, except for that whole hooker thing.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Good morning!
Morning!
Good morning.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.